Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
आज बेनावली ग्रामसभा आशिल्ली पूण 1200 लोकांनी पंचायतीक मागलेलें स्पेशल ग्रामसभा करची म्हणून आनी पंचायत ऑर्डिनरी ग्रामसभा करूंक सोदताली तेन्ना लोकांनी ऑब्जेक्शन हाडलें आनी ग्रामसभा जाली ना. आतां स्पेशल ग्रामसभा मायाचे 5 तारखेर जातली. तातूंत वेस्टर्न बायपास आनी ती स्वेज लायन घालतात वॉटर ट्रीट केलें ते सोडपाक हाचे वयर ग्रामसभा 5 तारखेर जातली आनी जी आयज ग्रामसभा पोस्टपोन जाल्यार ती 8 तारखेर मायाचे हेच जाग्यार जातली.
Panchayat has no concern for the village. So when the entire village, around 1000 plus लोकांनी signature campaign करून special gram sabha मागल्या, only 2 specific points on Western bypass and the Peda sewerage line. They have clubbed it with an ordinary gram sabha. Fair enough, try to club it. But आम्ही आता in minutes वाचल्यारू, the minutes are incomplete. And then they are trying to tell us that we can set aside the confirmation, reading and confirmation set aside करून ordinary gram sabha proceed करपाक. We have people who are knowledgeable about the Panchayat Raj Act in the Gram Sabha. All of us got together and we said tomorrow if we proceed with this Gram Sabha, our Gram Sabha minutes or the resolution can be challenged in court because the Panchayat was actually leading us to violate the Panchayat Raj Act. But Gram Sabha decided we will adjourn this Gram Sabha. Let the Gram Sabha be conducted at a later stage. Next Sunday decide and the people decided that within the next 5 days a special Gram Sabha will be conducted to specifically discuss about the Western bypass and the sewerage line. We want to, the people are waiting to take the legal course in many matters, and if we had to proceed with this ordinary Gram Sabha which was starting on a wrong footing, we would be at loss. So Ami Rauta, on the 5th, the Panchayat along with the documentation which they have worked on, last Gram Sabha ji आमची September end of September, October, तेजे फाटल्यान 6 म्हयन्यांनी आयज ती भायर सरल्या आमकडे डिस्कस करपाक. I am hoping that the Sarpanch along with the biodiversity chairperson will come with evidence which will be helpful for the people of Benavli to proceed further.
Next Sunday, same time, same place. Thank you.
8 तारखेर
5 तारखेर इवनिंग 4 o'clock ती अबाउट वेस्टर्न बायपास आनी सेवेज लोकांचे माहिती येना 4 o'clock
आज कित्याक लागून ग्रामसभा एजंट जाली?
लोकांक जाय आसलें ती पयली
लोकांक जाय आसलें ऑर्डिनरी आमी हेजेर केलो आहा ऑर्डिनरी लोकांक जाय आसलें एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी स्पेशल करपाक ताका लागून लोकांची माहिती येना.
प्रुडंट मिडिया खातीर बाणावले सावन साबीर डायस.